Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something truly iconic in this box. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement Reimagined. This is one of the most talked about sneakers in the game right now, and I can't wait to show you every detail. So stick around because not only am I giving you a close-up look at these classics, but I'm also going to tell you about a website that's currently running a great sale on them. So don't go anywhere, let's crack this box open. Wow. Right off the bat, the packaging screams premium. And here they are, the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement Reimagined. You can instantly see that vintage vibe Jordan brand is going for. The white leather upper feels buttery smooth. The iconic elephant print overlays are exactly where they should be. And those aged-looking heel tabs and midsoles really sell that 1988 feel. It's like stepping back in time. What makes this sneaker so special is how true it stays to the original 1988 silhouette. From the perforated leather panels to the retro Nike Air branding on the heel, every detail has been careful. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, unbox ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Reimagined to match the OG. That off-white midsole gives it a worn-in, vintage touch that sneakerheads are loving. It's like owning a piece of sneaker history that's both timeless and trendy. If you like this unboxing and want to see more heat like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. And definitely let me know in the comments, are you copying these? Or are you waiting for another release from the Reimagined series?